Hey there, couples! Ever wondered if your posture could be affecting your bedroom performance? Well, you're not alone. Today I'm diving into how body posture impacts stamina and some simple stretches to help you out. First off, let's talk about blood flow. Bad posture like slouching or hunching over can actually restrict blood flow to your vital areas. This means your muscles aren't getting the oxygen they need, which leads to fatigue. Not ideal when you're trying to have a good time, right? Pause, chuckle. So, what can you do about it? Let's start with your shoulders. Poor posture often means rounded shoulders, which tightens your chest and weakens your back. To fix this, try the shoulder blade squeeze. Stand tall, pull your shoulder blades together, and hold for a few seconds. Repeat this a few times a day to open up your chest and strengthen your back. Next up, the hips. Sitting for long periods can cause your hip flexors to tighten, limiting your range of motion. This not only affects your daily activities, but also your performance in the bedroom. Try the hip flexor stretch. Kneel on one knee, push your hips forward, and hold the stretch. Switch sides and repeat. This will help loosen those tight hip flexors and improve your stamina. Now let's not forget your lower back. Bad posture often leads to lower back pain, which can be a real mood killer. Pause, chuckle. To combat this, try the cat-cow stretch. Get on all fours, arch your back like a cat, then dip it down like a cow. Do this a few times to release tension in your lower back. Lastly, let's talk about the neck. Forward head posture can cause neck strain and headaches, which are no fun. To fix this, try the chin tuck. Sit or stand tall, tuck your chin in as if you're making a double chin, and hold. Repeat this to strengthen your neck muscles and improve your posture. So there you have it. Simple stretches that can make a big difference in your bedroom stamina. Remember, good posture isn't just about looking confident, it's about feeling your best too. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Here's to better posture and better performance. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.